The new accessory, sun and rain foldable canopy. Comes in a nice big box. I'm just going to show you how we put it on, how we take it off, how easy it is, how big it is. So, big box. This is the cover, and this is the sides. Come in a nice bag. And the canopy, which is a bit wet because we've just been outside with it. This is a bracket that fits onto the accessory ports of the scooter, and down below on the bottom handle, a clip for the base. It goes in there like that. That sits on there. And then you've got these two little metal screw clamps to hold the canopy in place. The other one off. Undo these two clips which hold it together if you're riding it with this tucked away. And then that's the canopy. That's your sun canopy. To fold the canopy away, you squeeze those two clamps, comes back, and two nice little gas struts bring that and secure it. Clip that in, clip that in. And that just prevents it flowing open while you're riding. In the bag you'll get two bits of plastic, that's the surround, which is the windshield. And that's the first one we're going to fit. And to attach, high quality, big chunky zip. Attaches to the underside there. And then you zip that up. And you can clip that back in place. And on the front, you have this wedge. What that does is that gives you space to turn and also helps deflect the rain off the front of the scooter. That's got Velcro attachment. And then the bottom one, right at the bottom, just to keep the canopy down. And then just all the way around, start with this one. The other side. Then we have it. Then if you want to operate it, you can roll it back. Let's roll them up. One. Do the same on the other side. Right, this is me in the Atto canopy. Lots of headroom. Nice thing in the front, lots of space to turn and operate the scooter. And easy to zip it up when you're sitting inside.